Hey guys, welcome back to Coaster Jack. We are back at Six Flags Great America in Gurnee, Illinois. Today is June 7th, and I got my new drink cover. There wasn't too many to pick from, so I had to go on eBay, but it was brand new. I kind of like it. We're gonna go do another construction update and see how the progress is coming along on the old go-kart area. Project Suspended Family Coaster. And we're gonna go walk around the park, see if the Wizard's running yet, and we're gonna see what else we can see. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. We're almost at 100 subscribers, so please, 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 please. It means so much to me, and Coaster Boy is super excited to reach 100 subscribers. Still nothing happening here with the Wizard. Well, we got one quick ride in on Max Force, and then Viper is unavailable, and Raging Bull is unavailable, and Wizard is still unavailable, and Aquaman Splashdown is currently unavailable. Even the Teacup ride, Chabasco, is unavailable. So there's literally nothing at this side of the park that I can do. So I need to walk over by the American Eagle and Goliath and see if I can get on one of those rides. And then we'll check the construction progress on the Suspended Family Coaster in the old go-kart area. And last time I was here, they were testing the Ricochet, but still not running. Space cows. Alright, so we're about to get on Justice League. And I was at Kings Island yesterday, and I still have my Fast Lane wristband. I asked for my Fast Lane. I'm going to show them my wristband and see what they say. Yes, this person right here has no idea.
I said put it away, Joker!
Give your password or not yet?
No. Yeah, she was a little confused about that. My favorite things at Cedar Point is the Smoked Sirloin, and if you go to Great America now, they have brought the Smoked Sirloin to the barbecue shop. And now Great America has that Smoked Sirloin. I'm gonna have it later. That is pretty great. And I just noticed that the Big Moose is gone. I wonder how long that's been gone. Yeah, this used to be Moose Burger. Well, looking over the fence here at the construction area, there's no work being done right now, but they've got a lot of work done. They have a lot of holes dug, and they have a lot of footers ready to pour cement. Pretty cool. All right, well, we had a lot of storms today, so they probably didn't get a lot of work done today, but they have been working on it. Look at all that. I don't see any supports. I don't see any track pieces. But if you guys notice anything that I can't see, please let me know below in the comments. I'm gonna try to zoom in on some of this stuff. You can see all those footers are ready. Very cool. So yeah, go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe if you want to see more updates on this area. We will be doing more construction updates as the season goes on. And thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
And make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll be here all the time doing updates, so thanks for helping. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. So if you want to help me get to that 100 subscriber milestone, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Well, the Viper and the Eagle were closed the entire time I was here, but I was able to get a ride on Raging Bull. Not to mention the Whizzer is closed as well. And many of the flat rides, such as Ricochet, have not opened yet. I just got off of Batman and it looks like the second train is almost completely assembled. Remember last time it was in pieces. So hopefully they'll have that running soon. Well, Roaring Rapids is not open today. And I just wanted to check and see if Aquaman Splashdown was open, and it is. There are people splashing down right now on Aquaman. So that's pretty cool. But that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Check out our merch at coasterboyshirts.com, and I will see you all in the next video.